I cannot give you 10 but I can give you 5. So here is my top 5 sa Enzo Scents. Okay, so top 5 is the most underrated freshie sa list ni Enzo Scent would be the Bulgaria for Home. For me, this one is a very good scent, especially sa weather natin here sa Pilipinas. And sa mga nagap ng everyday scent, summer scent, or anything na pang versatile, this one is good. It's a woody, fresh, aromatic type of scent. Sa akin, nagkatagal sa akin ng 3 to 4 hours, which is already good considering na it is a fresh scent. And usually, fresh scents, kahit sa mga OG, is hindi talaga nagtatagal ng ganun katagal. So, on my top 4, I have here their Eros Flame. This one smells so nice. Actually, ang ganda ng amoy nito. Hindi siya ganun ka-similar sa OG na Eros, pero the way it blended with the Eros DNA plus the orange scent na makukuha mo dito, it's really good. Kaso nga lang, ang ayoko lang dito is yung projection niya medyo mahina. Pero yung longevity niya sa akin is around 4 to 5 hours. So, that's 1 hour more compared to the others. So, I really like it. Kasi nga lang yung projection niya, hindi masyadong loud. Pero so far, if lumapit ka, okay naman. My top 3 would be another freshie Aqua di Gio of Enzo Scent. So lagi kong nire-recommend ito sa mga naghahanap sa akin sa live if ano nga ba yung magandang school or summer fragrance. I would always recommend this one, Aqua di Gio of Enzo Scent. It is a fresh, aquatic, floral type of scent. I really like this one, especially sa weather natin. And as someone na pawisin, na laging bumabiyahe, I like this one. Yung projection niya, medyo above average. Hindi siya ganun ka-loud, pero above average, which means mapapansin ka. And yung longevity niya is 3 to 4 hours din. So, alam mo na, napaka-goods na nun. Especially Aqua di Gio doesn't even last long, even the OG. So, for me, Enzo Scent really did good on this one. Number 2 is yung favorite ng lahat, is yung Ultra Male or even a Sexy Project. This one smells really, really nice. Ang lapit din niya sa OG Ultra Male. Maybe ang downside ko lang dito is masyado siyang loud na nakakahilo siya kapag naamoy ka ng ibang tao or pag napuwisan ka. So disclaimer lang sa mga Ultra Male ni Enzo Scent, masyado silang matapang, masyado silang loud. So don't wear it on a hot weather kasi magiging cloying and medyo babaho siya or hindi nyo masyadong ma-full experience yung kagandahan ni Ultra Male. And my top 1, for sure alam nyo na, it will be Lamal Elixir of Enzo Scent. As you can see, sobrang bawas na to. Lagi ko siyang ginagamit kapag aalis ako. Kasi instead of me using my elixir na OG, I'd rather use this. It has the same scent. Yung longevity niya, yes, hindi mo siya nang natatagal. Nasa around 3 to 4 hours din siya considering it's a night scent. Pero you can always carry this one. Lagay mo lang sa bag mo, lagay mo sa bulsa mo, or anywhere. Ang dali nang dalhin. So, pwede ka mag-respray. And also, hindi siya masyadong nakikiging clogging. So, to be honest, I really like this one, especially pag night scent. Maganda siya gamitin sa mga special occasions, date, prom, even clubbing. So, this one is a very good scent. Ang ganda talaga ng ginagawa ng Enzo Scent dito sa Elixir. So yun lang guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sana nakatulong ako sa inyo sa paghahanap ng good scent sa Enzo Scent. As always, it's your boy Kui ang nagsasabi na okay nang hindi gwapo, alis pa bango. Peace!